is thiểu
Okay. Okay. Now, everyone, what he said, they put in a watercolor all these three color, the orange, purple, and then green. And then this one is red,
Yellow and blue.
yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Yeah. So it's a color wheel. Color wheel. This is the very important, the basic color, how you mix it to apply to the hair. This black color is our basic color.
The basic color.
白色就等於我哋嘅漂粉或者去潮膏。
Okay. And then this is the black color is our basic color, and then the white one is the bleach color hair. Bleach one is like we wash off.
Like, consider this one is
The
very
bleach one, the
white,
bottom, the white one, and then the black one is the normal one. The level 3 is the black. The white one, the white one is the level 8 or 9.
哦，咁我所以用呢個黑色要用好小心去用，唔好用太多。
Water with this black tone. Use be very careful too much. Okay, they said use the black one and use a water, but just only a little because the black is really pure dark color.
哦，用得太多咧，都變成黑色啦。
Use too much this tone black. Use too much this tone black. Okay. If you use the black, if you use a lot of black, they turning the color to be more darker. Okay. So that's why he explaining if you use the black color just only a little. But if you use a lot of black, to this color is more darker the color.
In any color you put.
Aha.
哦，is OK。還有 water。
Water.
What is there? There.
用呢個
Wala naman.
用呢個染梳都得。
A brush.
Brush.
Small brush. Here, small brush here.
你或者用呢個又可以，時間添。用染髮梳都可以。
You can also use a hair like comb. Use the comb brush.